Well, it looks like we're having tornadoes all over the southeast once again today. They're just popping up everywhere. There's probably a dozen, maybe half a dozen or more here, and all through coming out of Alabama into Georgia now, heading over to South Carolina in a little while. You see this frequency popping right here, right there. It goes over to Statesboro right there. Right there. I can identify this because I know what I'm looking for. But anyway, I wonder why the reason for all this. We know why the reason is. Let me show you real quick. We'll take a moment to look at this. This is current also. This is extremely current. And we just come in right here. You recognize Florida, southeast coast. And we look in here. Oh my goodness. Is everybody going to Disneyland? And all these, what do they call them? Contrails? No, they're not that. But look at that. What's it doing? Look how far out they go. All the way down into Florida. Well up north of us. I mean, they must have got... What have they done to the atmosphere? Is the ozone gone? Or they just decided to completely excite the weather and do it as they want? Well, of course, we know there's a war against every human being on this planet by something. So, those tornadoes is right in that, it seems. Pushing this away. Pushing up like this. Anyway, there it is. Anybody knows what that is? Well, I bet most people do. Okay. So, anyway, just what's going on today, and it's like, it might be just a little bit after 4 o'clock, I think.